It's been almost a week since the heavy rain that flooded the city of Solo caused it to overflow several times. As a result, 15 sub-districts were flooded and thousands of residents had to flee. Floods caused by the overflow of the Bengawan Solo River hit the city of Solo, central Java. Thousands of residents had to flee to several places, and several resident houses were damaged by the flood. Now, Bengawan Solo has entered the red alert per Saturday, February 18, 2023. The four sub-districts affected by the Bengawan Solo floods consist of Jebres District, flooded 6 sub-districts, Kliwon Market District, 6 Sub-District, Serengan District, 2 Sub-District, Lawean District, 2 Sub-District. Head of the Solo City Regional Disaster Management Agency, or BPBD, there were around 21,487 affected residents, of which 3,898 were displaced. Apart from that, two houses in Tenggak Village, Sidoarjo District, Sragen Regency, were washed away by the Bengawan Solo flood. This happened because the two houses were right on the lip of the Bengawan Solo River. The house belongs to Budi Widoyono in Dukuh Ngelombo, RT 05, and Sumiati in Dukuh Metep. As a result, 50-meter-long concrete embankment on the edge of the Bengawan Solo in Kanar Village, Kanar Bojonegoro Sub-District collapsed. The 3 to 4 meter deep embankment sank while it were still under construction. The beginning of the Bengawan Solo flood that occurred on Thursday, February 16, 2023, was suspected to be due to rising water overflow. As a result, to inundate Bengawan Solo, water entered the settlement of the resident of Kanar Hamlet, RT1, RW4, Kanar Village.
Good morning, everyone. Trending today, meeting you with me, Deby Alecia, will accompany you for the next 30 minutes in iNews Plus in the morning. The latest information, and today, actually, we will present to you following the main news. Now, Bengawan Solo has entered a red alert of Saturday, 18 February 2023. There are 4 sub-districts affected by the floods. Now that our team is at the scene, let's hear it live. Good morning, Reyma.
Yeah, good morning.
How about the current condition?
Okay, as we can see, the floods caused by the overflow of the Bengawan River have not stopped. There were 5 sub-districts affected by the flood, including Jabres Sub-District, Kliwon Market, Serengan, and Laweyan. 2, 3. Okay, good morning, ma'am.
Yes, morning.
Or is it true that your house was washed by the floods?
Yes, it's been raining for a few days now. At first, when I was still displayed at home, looks fine. However, the river water continued to overflow until I finally decided to flee to the common course.
Okay. How about you, ma'am? Even the house had been taken off, so only the building collapsed at around 6 p.m. on Friday. The house was washed away by the flood current. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Thank you for your participation. Okay, I'm Reyma from the meeting center to report back to the studio. Oh, bless the Lord.
Everyone, of the information above ending our meeting on today trending. I'm Dewi Alecia, representing our work relatives, saying goodbye, good morning, and see you.